So the winch we use on the Hero hand truck is a braking winch. So once you crank up the load, it's going to lock in place. It's not going to move on you. It's not like your standard boat winch. And it's rated at 800 pounds. So we, want something that's overbuilt on the hand truck. Made to handle 75, 80 gallon water heaters and the new heat pump heaters as well. We wanted to show everybody the tires that are on the Hero hand truck. These are rated at 350 pounds a piece. They also have Zerk fitting on them as well for greasing. We have a hand truck that has about 5 years on it and it's barely even showing any tread wear. These are great tires. They come out of Boulder City. Very durable and can handle the weight. Today this is our HHM3 model Hero hand truck. And we've had a few questions come in about the quick release pin. This is the pin right here. It's attached to the lift plate, as you can see, and the belt. When you go into lifting mode, that pin's going to lock in and bring up the lift plate. So this pin serves two purposes. You can pull it out from right here, and then it goes into here where it clearly says insert pin to lock. So what that does is it locks the lift plate in place. So if you got this thing, you're transporting it laying flat, it's not going to slap around on you and move. This is our 1-inch wide lashing strap. It comes with every hand truck. It's 1 inch wide and it's 10 feet long. So for safety purposes, we highly recommend to use it, especially on the larger size water heaters. 75, 80 gallon or the heat pump heaters. It is a little excessive on length, but you can trim it back to size. It's better to have too much than not enough. Another point we wanted to make about this lift pin is when you pop it out, what that does is releases the strap, and then you can take this lift plate out, all the way out through the top of the hand truck and out, and then that will reduce about 25 pounds of weight. So if you have a stair job, where you need a lighter hand truck to go upstairs, say you're doing a water heater or whatnot, it just makes life a lot easier. And some people choose to take the lift plate off so they can transport it easier in their vehicle. Just sit it off to the side. So I just want to let everybody know our new assist kit will work on any HHM3, our latest model hand truck. If it's blue, it will work on your hand truck. It comes in really handy for 75 and 80 gallons, bringing it down, and also for uneven surfaces, or if you're in grass or dirt, it definitely does the job. It makes it a lot easier maneuvering.